Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In today's video, I am going to explain you about abstract classes in Java. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. This is my Eclipse IDE and let's create new Java project and let's name this as let's name this as oops, right? Now in source folder, let's add package and let's give this package name as oops demo. And now in this package, let's add a class and let's name this class as fruit, right? Now the fruit class is created, and again let's create a class for the main method, so that main method will be written here, main method. This is the class name. Let's create main method class. Now this main method class also created. Now coming to the abstract concept. Before going to abstract classes, let's discuss about abstraction. We all know that abstraction is one of the concepts that present in OOPS, right? Object oriented programming, right? Here abstraction is a process or mechanism in which data will be hidden, like unnecessary data will be hidden with the help of abstraction. If you take an example of driving a car, we just want to know how to drive the car. That's it. We don't want to know how this is manufactured and how the wires are connected. Like we don't want any kind of internal information about the cars, right? We just want to learn how to drive the car. And you can also take another example. If you want to send message to your friends, you just type it and you just send it, right? You don't need what's the back end is going on, like how the message is delivering, you know what I mean, right? So you don't need any kind of internal information. So that means abstraction is a process in which unnecessary details will be hidden. And here in the abstraction there are two features. One is abstract and another one is interface. Now in this video we are going to discuss about abstract classes. So what is the difference between normal class and abstract class? Means you can see here public class, main method. Okay, you can see, let's see, take fruit.java. Here you can see public class fruit. This is just a normal class, right? How can you tell that this class is abstract class? Means suppose if I write abstract keyword before the class, means then this class will be abstract class. Previously it used to be normal class, public class fruit. When you add the keyword abstract, it is abstract class. So abstract classes are declared with the keyword called abstract. Now actually we know how to run a program with normal classes. Suppose let's write some small program, public void apple. Let's print red color. Now this is the class, and now let's write main method here. Main. In the main method, let's call fruit class. How can we call? Fruit object new. Let's call the class fruit. Now we need to call the function apple. Let's save it and let's run the code. You can see here in the console red color is printed, right? Red color is printed. This is with the normal class. If suppose I want to do with abstract classes, public abstract class fruit. Now this is the abstract class, right? This one is abstract because I added the keyword abstract. Now let's save it. You can see in the main method it's showing error here. What the error means? Cannot instantiate the type fruit. That means in normal class we can instantiate the class, right? But when the class is abstract class, we can't able to instantiate. That means we can't able to create object with the help of abstract class. Fruit is abstract class, right? Because we added abstract keyword for the fruit class. For that's why we can't able to can't able to declare an object for the fruit. Now how can we execute this program? Now how can I get red color in console? How can I clarify this, clear this error? Means if ever you create an abstract class, you need to create subclass for this abstract class. Now I am going to create subclass called color, which extends our abstract class fruit. Right? Now I created the subclass. Now here in the main method, I am going to call, instead of abstract class, I am going to call my subclass color. Here now you can see error is error was gone. Now let's save this and let's run it. You can see the output, red color is printed in our console. So that means with the help of abstract class, we can't able to declare an object, right? We can't able to instantiate the object. And if ever abstract class is created, we should definitely create subclass which extends our abstract class. I hope you all got my point. Now suppose this is implementation method, right? This is normal method. This is just implementation method. Now I want to create abstract method. Abstract methods are created inside the abstract classes. Now I want to create abstract method. How can I create? Means we just have to add abstract void mango. We just need to add the abstract to our method name, right? So this will be created. Here you can see it is showing error. Now can I implement this method here itself only? No, we can't create implementation for the abstract method in abstract class. We just need to declare, and in order to implement this abstract method, we have to implement in the subclass. That means let's see. Now I am going to implement this method here itself only, yellow color. Right? You can see it is showing error. We can't able to implement abstract methods inside the abstract class. We just have ability to declare itself, and here we need to override this method and we need to implement here public void mango. Here I just call this override this method, and now here I am implementing in subclass yellow color. Now let's save it, and here in the main method let's call f.mango, right? Now let's save it and let's run the code. You can see red color and yellow color was printed. That means here what's the point? Means abstract methods can never be implemented inside the abstract class, but these abstract methods can be implemented inside the subclass. Whenever abstract methods are created, means definitely they have to implement it in the subclass. Yeah, so this is all about this abstract class. If you have any doubts, please feel free to comment, and if I did any mistake, means please feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel.